Hang on, let's wait for Dallas is loud.
Hi everybody, I'm Tracy with Surpro North Shasta, and we're going to be talking about, no, sorry, I already did. Hi, my name is Tracy with Surpro North Shasta, and this is Surpro's Tips on the Go. Much of our community experienced soot damage on their firearms, especially last year, and it's very damaging. Let's say you have soot damage on your guns and you go out and you actually fire your firearms without taking them to a reputable gunsmith to have a good sonic cleaning. You can actually wear down the metals on your firearm, and over time it will become loose and sloppy and they won't function. You're going to have failures after that because the soot creates so much damage and so much wear to the metal in your guns. So let's say you have a house fire and it's a little bit more extensive of damage. Water had to be used to help put out that fire, so now you have a mixture of ash and moisture. That ash and moisture actually combine and create acid. That acid will eat any materials. It actually eats metal, so it will pit and eat your firearms. You can see it visibly on the exterior of your firearms as well as the interior. With that acid and heat from the fire, it will destroy the interior of your firearms. If you have any questions or need tips on any of the topic from today, please leave comments down below. We'll get to you as soon as we can.